Welcome to another daydream. Welcome to another video, guys. This is a question I get asked quite a lot. What lift have you got? So I thought I'd do a quick video on it. Quick is a relative term. You know I like to show detail, so I'm gonna do that. The lift I have is a 3-ton, so 3,000 kg mid-rise scissor lift, and it's a company which is local to me, based in Mansfield, Nottinghamshire in the UK, called Automotive Lift Services, and they're the ones who came and dropped it off for me. They're the ones who I bought it from. It came complete, ready to go. So it comes with rubber jacking points, barrier thing, so you put that in between your lift and your car, so these rubber points don't damage the jacking points. So you get 4 of those. It came with a mobility kit, so you can move your lift around. It came pre-filled with hydraulic fluid, so I don't have to mess with that. Literally all they came was, they dropped the lift off, asked me if I could plug it in somewhere, which I did, showed me how to use it, showed me that it was functioning, gave me the instruction books. Good to go, literally just like that. I know another fellow YouTuber, fellow Mustang owner down in Gloucestershire, Gloucester Nige, hey, shout out to him, has recently just purchased the lift as well, and blames me for it. So if you go and get a lift because of this video, sorry not sorry. Let's show you guys what's going on. The actual brand is called Braddock, and it has an auto lift sticker on it, which is decent. This is the company, so if you want to note down the company details, there they are: Automotive Lift Services, service, installation, repairs, mobile phone and landline number, and I will have it serviced by them yearly. This is some other information, I guess. So lift height, minimum height of the lift, so that's the profile. I guess that's the date of manufacture, and the capacity 3-ton. This is the model number, FR-6010, and it comes with the relevant danger signage. So this is the lift. It does have the bars in the middle, and this is where the mobility kit mounts. So basically, I'll show you where to keep it. So those are the wheels for it there, and then I have the bar required to move it across here. So that's the wheel. So this goes towards the front end, and the wheels go over there. I can show you guys how to do it. And if your vehicle has a slightly longer base, not a problem. You can just lift this up, and that will then support the weight, and all 4 of them can do that. Put it back down, lift that there, just like that, done. Now it is CE approved, which means it's tested and safe, I guess, and it comes with these are like little bars which mount to the side of your lift to protect your toes. Now the reason I don't have them, because I think there would be a bigger trip hazard, so I've left them off. And obviously if I'm operating the lift, I am standing here really far away. I don't have toes which are 3 meters long. Guys, if you're finding this video helpful or useful, hit that like, hit that subscribe, helps us out. Back to the daydream. So that's that. So to show you how it works, very simple. I'll stand back here. So this is the up button, this is the down button. So you just press up, and it goes up. Now that clicking
That's the mechanical latches folding down over the teeth on the bottom, so it's very safe. It is mechanically locked. There we go. So I'll show you closer. Let me just hit the light. There we go. So you can see here, these are the mechanical latches and the teeth. Yep. So these will then latch onto that point. These are electrical solenoids, so a lot of the lifts are operated using air, but no, the solenoids run from the electrics 240 volt as well, and you know, they'll prevent you from dying basically, which is a feature that I really like. And yeah, so this is it. It can get up to 1 meter. The other good thing about this lift is, well, let me just show you the inside. That's the inside. You have access to the various electronics, all really nice and protected. Look, they even wrapped like all the cabling, and it's just generally of very good quality, to be honest. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, and that's that. You have your emergency switch, bam, and you have an emergency switch, well, for on and off switch there as well. You can then open it, yeah, and then you also have a manual pressure release valve. So let's hope I can do this because it's a bit chilly. So you undo this and you, I think, push it in and turn it, and it releases the pressure on the lift just like that. You see it moved. So that's it, that's moved. And if you notice now, the teeth are fully secure. So this is what they recommend that you should do once you get your car up. Manually release the pressure so it is locked on those teeth, and it is absolutely safe and not going anywhere. To do it, so you just basically tighten it back up and you're good. And I'm just gonna leave this here because I want to show you guys clearly how it's done. And then you always go up first. Okay, maybe I haven't tightened it enough. Yeah, I think, yeah, so the manual relief was still open. So always go up first. There you go. And then when you go down, you see the solenoids pop up and it will go down. So what I want to do is just show you this again. So just trying to get used to this new camera. So it's pressure release valve. You push it in and you turn it anti-clockwise, and that releases the pressure. See how it's going down, which is pretty cool. Then if I just turn it, there you go, you see, it stopped there, and then as soon as I turned it, so that's a nice function that I like having. So I'm just gonna put this protector back on there. The other way around. Oh, come on now. Don't be like that. There we go. It's just cold, guys. My fingers are cold. So that's that. And my setup itself runs from this area of the garage through there. I think it's about 2 to 3 meters, 2.5 to 3 meters long. So that's, I would say it's 2.5 because each of these slabs are like about 1.25 meters long. Now, it does have a pretty high profile. Well, for our cars, for a sports car it has a high profile, but actually this is one of the lower profile versions you can get, and this is why I've put these rubber mats to just help me get the car on and off. And to be honest, these will also protect your tires from the cold concrete. So across a bit, and yeah, that's the lift. So I've got the stuff I need to move it to show you guys. Basically, it's quite simple. You get 2 of these wheels, which sort of keep here. They can't right now because the lift is lowered.
So what you have to first do is lift it up. You get the wheels, slide on, like so. You get this, which hooks on here, like so. You lower the lift. And then you just simply use this to move it. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this useful. If you did, you know what to do. Buy the lift. Do I regret purchasing it? That's, I guess, one of the other questions that I need to answer. The answer is no. But if I elaborate on that a little bit, simply because we work on the GTR, I've already done a lot of work on the Mustang, and then, you know, doing services on other cars, just and my friends' cars, just makes life a lot easier. It's safer. You know, I can have this tested yearly, and you know, nothing is more important than my life. To me, you know, there's a saying that you can have all the money in the world, but if you're dead, it's no use. There's a saying where I come from. It actually rhymes pretty well. I'll say it in Urdu, Jaan hai to jahan hai. It basically means the world is only here if you're alive, right? If you're dead, you can have everything else really nice, but you'll be gone, so you won't basically have it. So that's why spend some money on your safety if you can. You can get, I thought about getting quick jacks, which are about £1,000. This is about this was 1,680 pounds delivered. So I thought, you know, it's worth it. I can make my money back within a year easily, and I think I already have. So it's definitely worth getting if you like to work on your cars often. It makes getting the job done, or to the point where you can start doing the job a lot faster, rather than having to faff around with jacks and jack stands and not have enough room to drop the exhaust properly and this, that and the other. All of that stuff is taken care of. So yeah, it's definitely one thing that you should buy if you're a serious enthusiast about your car. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you like the lift, get it from those guys. They were great to me. And yeah, like and subscribe. Peace out.